My pleasure to present the Alumna of the Year from the School of Dental Medicine. Dr. Dee Dee Meavison has been, I've known her for over a decade, and I actually was involved in admitting her to dental school at a point many, many years ago. And I called her an educated risk taker. She walked into a young school. We've heard a lot of wonderful history in our previous presentation. She walked into a school that was admitting its second class. We were doing things like giving lectures in chemistry labs that didn't pertain to our discipline particularly, but it worked. And we managed to succeed, and Dee Dee certainly graduated with a great distinction in 2007. Since then, her innate curiosity is still evident in everything she does today. She is very interested in technology and the impact of technology on dentistry, which some of you, I hope, have experienced with your own dentists in the community. She had a keen interest in digital radiography and has, as a result of that, taken a role in evaluating equipment that has come into the marketplace and being a beta tester for some of that equipment. She was the first female dentist that I know of in the Valley to obtain a CEREC Omnicam CAD/CAM machine, which you may have seen in some of the different media presentations about doing dentistry where they can actually capture with a picture rather than an impression and prepare something in a very expedient method to be delivered to patients. She acquired a Sirona Galileos. I always have trouble with that. I want to say Galileo. Cone beam equipment. And cone beam allows the capture of 3D images of the head and neck, which is an exquisite piece of machinery for the ability to place implants in jaws with absolute precision and to also diagnose in a three-dimensional image what is actually occurring in a patient's head. It is a very advanced technology and expensive and required both an intellectual and economic investment on her part to do so. She continues to be on the leading edge of technology in our discipline in this valley. Dee Dee is a Las Vegan. Born and raised here. She's made a priority to give back to the community. She established her own program, Dee Dee for Dentist Feels Good. Which I love. And it is part of that sort of philosophy of the dental school as well as a personal value on Dee Dee's part to give back to the community substantially. She holds a bachelor's degree in biology from the University of California, Irvine, and earned her doctorate from our school. For your creativity, your caring, your compassion, and for what you've done for dentistry in this valley, I present you this award.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. This is a very special moment for me, and I am grateful to have been selected for such an honor. Thank you to everyone who has anything to do with my nomination and selection among such an accomplished corps of alumni. I can't believe it's already been 10 years since I first walked through the doors of the best dental school in the country. The UNLV School of Dental Medicine was only in its second year, like Dr. Sanders said, when I started in 2003. As a curriculum, those first few years of the dental program were challenging because UNLV was trying to make its mark in the dental school community. Its graduates were being modeled to set a standard for all future alumni. And it's because UNLV set their bar so high that I'm here today. During my time at the dental school, I had the privilege of learning from some of the best minds in dentistry. The faculty and staff not only taught us to be excellent clinicians, but more importantly, they taught us about the nobility of being part of the dental profession and how we should look beyond treating cavities and focus on caring for our patients as people. For that, I am deeply grateful. I would also like to send a special thank you to the wonderful people that I work with and my family. To my mother especially, who's sitting right here, who sacrificed so much to ensure that I receive the best education possible. And at the very center of my life is my amazing husband, Michael, who's over there, and my beautiful daughter, Eliana. They are my greatest source of happiness, and I love you all so much. Finally, in accepting this award for what I've already accomplished, I promise that this is not the last of me. You'll see more of me. My goal is to work harder and to give back to the city that has given me so much. Thank you.